Hello guys, hi, how are you and happy weekend. A few days ago I shared the end look of how I make this pepper chicken. So today I'm taking you behind the scene on how I made this pepper chicken. Let me start by showing you how I clean my chicken properly. Before this, I've actually done taking out the dirt and the extra hair. So after that, and I'm going to use, I used salt and I used vinegar as you can see in this video. So I rinse it a couple of times before I actually go to actually season. Like I mentioned in previous video, I clean my chicken with protein, my chicken all the protein with salt and lemon or sometimes with vinegar. Today I just use salt and vinegar as I've seen previously. So it's season time. With all I have showed you all the spice in which I used. The rosemary is listed, the curry, the thyme, and above all, the most key ingredient I love most is my ginger garlic paste. There's a video on this channel where I show you how I make my ginger garlic paste. I actually like making my fresh than buying the ready pack from the supermarket. So it's ready. I let it to marinate for like 20 minutes because I didn't really have much time on my hand and I boil it. So after boiling the chicken, I took it out from took it out from the pot and let it cool for a while. It's good for you to let it cool for a while so that it cool down before you start frying to avoid it splashing everywhere, you know. And when it splashes, sometimes it gets into the wrong part of your body or something. It can be very hurtful or harmful. So I flavor the oil with onions. I like to flavor my oil when I'm frying with onion to start with. And this is about 6 pieces of boiler chicken. This is actually 6 pieces of boiler chicken, not about. So when I'm very busy, I like to use my fryer, but usually I don't really like using fryer because I don't like when you keep repeating using the oil and the oil over and over again. So I fry it till it's a golden crispy. I'm going to show you it's very golden crispy when I fry it. That is how actually when the customer wants it, they want it fried and they want it stewed. So in the way it's stewed is actually that you don't leave it too long in the sauce. So this is golden fried. So let me take you on how I do my pepper combination. So I like using fresh ginger. I always have fresh ginger. Cut it and keep it in the freezer. So when I have jobs, it's easier for me to use. So this is onions. I like using a lot of onions as well because it's flavored your pepper. Try to put enough onions when you're actually making your pepper combination. So in this video I used a combination of fresh tomatoes and tin plum tomato. I like to have different balanced flavor. It's always very nice. So when tomato is in season and when it's cheap, I just buy it and I use it, or when I have excess. So I like sometimes to alter the flavor to give it a very nice fresh flavor. So I blend it. Once it's blend, you blend it very well. You might just have it on a scale of 1 to 10. You blend it like about 8.5 is just, or sometimes 8. I only do a very complete smooth blending when I'm making like sauce, like chicken sauce or fish, fresh fish. I like it to look very smooth. So you just blend your combination of pepper. Once you blend it, it's actually a lot. I blended it. So remember, I actually listed it: ginger, garlic, tatashe, onions, and scotch bonnet, and tin plum tomato and fresh tomato to make this very one. So the oil, eat your pot and oil. See how smart I'm using the oil because I don't want to carry it over and I don't want to keep reusing it because it actually doesn't make the taste fresh. So just take the oil from which you use in frying from the deep fry, and I started by flavoring the oil with Maggi and my seasoned thyme, curry, pepper, thyme, curry, and rosemary. Bay leaves actually is one of those things. Stir it on a medium heat. Don't be too hot, and pour the pepper mix, the blended pepper mix to it. Give it a stir together. Once it's stirred, then I rinse the bowl with the chicken stock. So chicken stock, and I left it to fry over and over. Cover it and let it fry. So guys, while it's frying, I want you to do me a favor today. Excuse me. Remember to copy my link, put it on your WhatsApp status, or just, you know, broadcast it to your friends and family. And remember to do me a favor. Please leave a comment. It goes a long way. So leave a comment, help me to grow this channel. Thank you so much for doing that for me. So, and I'm just going to stir the chicken, which I fried, in the sauce. The customer said in my language, Sheung, sorry, that's my name, Sheung ilata, which means just still eat in the pepper. So I'm not going to leave the chicken to fry for too long in the sauce, just for like 5 minutes, and I'm taking it out. So guys, this is just behind the scene of how I do my pepper chicken. So if you like watching my video, remember to like, leave a comment. Leave a comment, guys. Please leave a comment and just copy the link, like I said, put it on your WhatsApp status and make your friends and family see what I do. Thank you. Maybe through that I can get more customers. I appreciate you. Take care and bye bye.